In this video, I want to talk about the difference between autologous fecal microbiota transplantation, or a-FMT, and fecal microbiota transplantation, or FMT. They actually kind of sound the same, which can make this kind of confusing. I also want to talk about banking your biome and where this fits in and who it could be a good fit for. So in this video, I'll try to make this all less confusing, I hope, and talk about a-FMT, FMT, and banking your biome and what the difference is. First things first, let's define FMT and a-FMT and highlight the differences. Fecal Microbiota Transplantation, or FMT, is the infusion of specially prepared stool material from a healthy and well-screened donor into the gut of a recipient to help restore a healthy gut microbiotal community. Autologous Fecal Microbiota Transplantation, or a-FMT, is when a person uses their own gut microbiome, which is taken from stool, which is collected when they're healthy, and this stool can be either stored long-term in what's called a biome bank or short-term just before a procedure. All the rest of the steps are the same. So the stool is specially prepared, it's infused into the gut, and it helps restore the gut microbiome. So really, the difference between a-FMT and FMT is that for autologous fecal microbiota transplantation, you're using your own stool, your own gut microbiome, to restore your gut. Now that we know the difference between FMT and a-FMT, where for the latter you're the donor, where does biome banking come into play? At any age, a lot of factors can affect the health of our gut microbiome, say a medical procedure, taking medications like antibiotics, or even aging. Having your gut microbiome stored when healthy allows you to have this asset ready should you face gut dysfunction in the future. At Novel Biome, we have a service called Banking Your Biome, where we collect and store your healthy gut microbiome from a stool sample collected when you're in your healthy current state. This can be used in the event of, future microbiome damage. Once we receive your sample, we use our state-of-the-art laboratory to create concentrated oral capsules. These capsules are tasteless and scentless and are about the size of a normal vitamin. We use only your unique gut microbiome. That means you have your healthy gut microbiome ready in the event that you should need it if your gut microbiome becomes damaged in the future. If you're currently unhealthy, banking your biome probably isn't the best step. In this instance, you may want to better understand what's causing the gut dysfunction and how to reverse it. Think eating a healthy and diverse diet, eliminating environmental toxins, for example. If the damage is severe, you may want to consider FMT, which relies on healthy, well-screened donors. If you want to understand more about FMT, check out our video here. After performing FMT treatment, you could consider storing your stool now that your gut microbiome is healthy, and having this new healthy gut microbiome stored and ready could help you fight gut dysfunction in the future. The gut microbiome is still a focus of clinical research, and more is coming out all the time about the importance of a healthy gut. Research also shows us that restoring the gut microbiome is a way to possibly lead to better health and recovery from diseases. Both FMT and a-FMT provide an avenue to gut restoration, where FMT relies on well-screened healthy donors, and a-FMT relies on you as a donor, and also relies on you being prepared ahead of time by storing your healthy gut microbiome. If you want to learn more about FMT or a-FMT, check out our other videos where we've done a deep dive on both of these topics. If you want to learn more about banking your biome, check out our website. The link's in the description, and our website has lots of details on why someone might want to bank their biome and if it could be a good fit for you.